this video we are learning a song made in India. So to play this intro, we have a C sharp 5. So we are holding 4th fret on the 5th string and 6th fret on the 4th string. So we play both together and we pause the chord. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 times on C sharp, then we go D5 and we end on B. So that is 5th fret, 2nd fret on the 5th string. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So we do that 3 times, then we go 3rd string, 6th fret. You gotta pluck down up 4 times. So we are doing that staccato, so we gotta pause after playing 2 times. Then we play that 5th fret on the 5th string, 2nd fret on the 5th string. So that's it. So next we have so that is 7th fret on the 2nd string, then 7th fret on the 3rd string, then 6. So the first 3 notes. Then we go 6, 7, 4 on the 3rd string. So we play 3 times. So 4th time we just play the first 3 notes. That is 7 on the 2nd string, 7 on the 3rd string, then 6 on the 3rd same string. So then we have so the vocal comes in. So for that we have starting on the 6th fret. So 6 on the 3rd string, 7 on the 2nd string, 7 on the 3rd string. So then we go 6, 4 on the 3rd string. So 6 on the 3rd string, 7 on the 2nd string, 7 on the 3rd, 6, 4. So then we have quick 6, 7, 6 on the 3rd. So it's the same thing. We are just adding 2 notes on the 7th fret of 3rd string. So that's the 2nd time. So next part we slide from 4 to 6 on the 3rd string, or you can just play 6, 7, 7 on the 2nd string. So 3 times 7, so down, down, up. So again we start on the 6 on the 3rd and slide from 7 to 9 on the 2nd string and play pluck after slide, down, up, pluck, down, up. So then the 3rd time is again we start on the 6th of the 3rd. So we still move ahead after sliding from 7 to 9. We pluck 9, 9 to 10, slide there. So then you come with this lick. So that is 9, 7 on the 2nd, 9, 7 on the 3rd, then 6. So again we come back to after that, so that come back to the 2nd intro. So so then you can come back. Then again it's yeah, that's the thing. So now we have chorus part that goes this part, it starts on the 9th fret of 1st string, 3 times on the 9th fret, then hammer on and pull off from 9 to 10 back to 9, then we end on the 7th fret of first string. So we are playing all the notes here on the first string only. So 9, hammer on and pull off on the 9 to 10, then end on the 7, then again we start on the 7 now. Again same rhythm, you got to play 3 times on 7 and hammer on pull off from 9 now. So ending on the 5th fret of the first string. So same thing again 3 times on the 5th fret, again hammer on and pull off from 7 to 5, then 2 times on the 4th fret of first string. So till here. Then we have this one, 7th fret on the 2nd string, 5 to 7 slide. So then we have we can have this fill in here. So 7, 9, 10 on the 2nd string, then 7 on the 1st string. So again we can restart that chorus. So chorus I'll play both the parts together. So then we have this, that lick comes here, then again it goes back to, and then everything repeats like that. So for the chords, for the bar chords, we have C sharp minor, B, A. So we have C sharp minor for 2 bars. So we have C sharp minor. So we have this thing, C sharp minor for 2 bars, then we have C sharp minor for 2 counts, then B for 2 counts, then we have A for whole bar. Yeah, so then we have for chorus chords is like C sharp minor for 2 counts, then we have B for 2 counts, then we have B, then A for 2 counts, then we have A, B, then we have C sharp minor again. So in that fill that you can do A, B, then C sharp minor. So once again.